So it's a quick video of the Gen 5 with audio installation. The only generation I would ever consider buying because I didn't even know what the hell it was. But I think it's a better looking version of the Tesla Model 3. Way better looking version, if you ask me. I could have went between both. But anyway, that's not what we're here. We're here for the clean factory audio installation, which you could tell installation. As you could tell, there's no wires, no traces. I need to clean my car bag. It ain't been washed one time yet. But yeah, let's play a little bit of music without getting copyrighted. I won't be able to let it go long. Yeah. It's around 100 hertz, based on what I tested on. Gonna hurry up and get the music off. Hopefully that's not too much. Oh yeah, my plan was to get all this out the trunk, but just pretend that's not there. Let's pretend that's not there. We could have went with mounting this under, but it's got to be efficient, which it is. So it's not going to get heat up that much. I didn't want to drill it to a brand new car anywhere else. I chose the speaker box. A lot of people won't do it that way. I chose right here because there should be a piece of wood that goes straight like that. I think that amps are made to get jarred, and I think that anything that comes loose is because it's not on right. I personally I've never had anything come loose while on a speaker box, not for one subwoofer like this. Maybe if I had three or four or five subwoofers, then yeah, maybe separately, but on just 112 Skar audio, even though it is pretty loud, it's doing good. The wires ain't going nowhere. Nice clean installation with wire loom, 3-foot audio cable directly to the 12-volt battery. This was not planned to be here, but let's get rid of it real quick and pretend it wasn't there. Wow, it's gone. So originally, when this was going to go under, I could just disconnect the speaker right here and move it. But the thing is, I don't have a spare tire anyway that came with this car. So maybe 4 or 5 years from now, if I want to buy a spare tire and the car's older, maybe I'll decide to screw this into the car. But for right now, I'm not screwing it into a brand new car. I'm leaving it right there. And I tell you what, 4 or 5 years from now, when I do decide to get the spare tire and all that, if it ever comes to that point, because it does come with a compressor and stuff under it, which I can easily get to. I could literally let that seat down, push the sub back, and then get to anything I wanted to get to. Even with the spare tire, I could. So this really don't mind me none. My cables, I made them long enough just so I could push it back towards the seat if I wanted, but at the same time where I could tuck them and everything's all seamline. So yeah, that's it. 2025 Prius Gen V, best one to date. The only one I would consider. I thought it was a Tesla when I first seen it, but yeah, real clean audio installation. If you got a car, you're in the Louisville area, and you want to keep your factory stuff and get it sounding good like that, I got this tuned nicely, and didn't even really had to. I used the factory settings and just adjust the gain and the settings on my amplifier to make it sound good. Could have used the DSP, but I heard the way the speakers were sounding. They're full range, and it sounded pretty good. So I knew going off of that and amplifying that signal to an amplifier from the line out converter would probably sound pretty good, and it did. So yeah, Seago Unlocks here. That's the audio installation on the Gen V new Toyota Prius. This is the non-plug-in hybrid version. You can also get the plug-in hybrid version if you never want to use gas at all. So a little quick rundown on that. You get like 60-70 miles on electric, then it goes to using your gas. So you never actually run out. If you're in a Tesla, you run out of power, you're over. But plug-in hybrid, you plug it in, use straight electric. Then whenever it switches to gas and electric, whenever it gets low, you're good for a while. But me, I don't want to plug this in every day. It costs $25 to fill it up, and I'm getting around 61 miles per the gallon. So I'd rather not plug it in. Seago Unlocks, I'm out here.